Hello, this week we're going to continue on with our chessboard by making the bishop today. We're going to start off with the base that we made last week. We can then take the inner ring and extrude this up and add in an edge loop here that we can scale in to form the neck. We can then extrude the top edge and scale it out and then extrude it up again. We can then add an edge loop here and scale it in. Then we can extrude and scale a few more times to finish off the top, and then place this top face in and poke in it as well. Now we're going to spawn a sphere and we're going to set the segments to 8 and the rings to 5. For me, I'm way off 0, so I'm going to move this into place over top. We can then delete the bottom vertex and line it up with the base. We can then start scaling the rings to match up to our reference image. Now I'm going to rotate the mesh 22.5 degrees on the Z and then bevel this top edge to around 0.02. Next we can cut in the mouth. We want the lower lip to end at this vertex and the outer one to come up to this one as well. And then we can delete these faces. Next we can add some cuts to the other side as well. Then we can scale the vertexes opposite to each other down to Z on the X and Z so that they line up nicely. Now we can move these vertexes around a bit to get a better shape. Next we can make these faces follow along the edge by just cutting in along here. And then we can merge these two vertexes down to the center. Now we can focus on the top. We're going to connect these two vertexes and dissolve these four edges here. And of course, at any point, we can nudge our vertexes around to get shapes that we prefer. Now we can fill in the center of the mouth. We can just select these vertexes here and fill this in, and then just fill them up the side. And then we'll just crease these edges here so that our mouth is nice and sharp. The last thing we need to do is the point at the top of our bishop's head. So we can select that face that we've got here. We can select the face that we removed these edges from earlier, and then we can just extrude this up and crease the top edges so that they're nice and hard. Add another edge loop here, and then we can scale it in to get the shape we want. Now, to join the head to the body, we're going to need to remove these faces here from the body, and then we can bridge the edge. Mine looks a little funky here, so I know I need to recalculate my normals. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to recalculate my normals with Control N. And then we can crease this edge here, and then our bishop will be done, and we can add it to our chessboard. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.